I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. For all of those wondering when winter weather would arrive, the wait is over. We were treated to a blast of cold that swept into Oklahoma Monday night. A map of air temperature from Monday night at 9 p.m. shows the cold air crossing Oklahoma City. In the green map areas, temperatures hovered around 60 degrees. The blue map areas range from the high 40s down to the low 30s. By Tuesday morning, the cold air was entrenched across the state, with 5 Mesonet locations recording 18-degree lows. Eric, Butler, Alva, Breckenridge, and Buffalo. Every Mesonet site was below freezing. Idabel was the warmest at 31 degrees. Wednesday, folks woke up to even colder temperatures. 53 Mesonet sites fell to 18 degrees or lower. El Reno was at 12 degrees. Wednesday morning was a harsh change for cattle. In El Reno on Monday, cattle were enjoying a cattle comfort index of 75 degrees, balmy for November. 38 hours later, the cattle comfort index was at -2 degrees. Now that'll shake even the toughest bull. Here's Gary with a check on our rainfall and drought status.
Thanks, Al, and good morning, everybody. As Al mentioned, we've certainly had some cold weather come in. We've also had some dry weather start to creep back into the state. So let's start off with another look at the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map, see what it shows for us. The new drought map released on Thursday reflects some of the rains that fell last week, although there weren't quite enough to make any dents in the big drought impacts down in southwestern Oklahoma. We also see a little bit of a decrease in southeastern Oklahoma and also an increase up in northwestern Oklahoma. However, it's still better than the map from 1 year ago. As you can see here, we had 100% of the state covered by at least severe drought, and 71% of the state was covered by at least extreme drought. Remember, last year at this time we were in the midst of the driest May through December on record in the state of Oklahoma. So it might not be so great down in southwestern Oklahoma and up in the northwest, but it's certainly better over most of the state, so we have that to be thankful for. Now let's take a look at the 30-day rainfall statistics from the Oklahoma Mesonet. We have started to get dry over the last 30 days, with less than an inch falling over parts of the state, mostly in western Oklahoma, but we have had parts that have seen greater than 8 inches. But in general, it has gotten a little bit dry. We can see that from the percent of normal rainfall map from the Mesonet over the last 30 days. It shows where the relief has come and where it's still missing out on the critical drought areas across far western Oklahoma, especially for that southwestern quarter where exceptional drought remains. So we have the same message that we do every week, it seems like. We need that rainfall to spread to the west. We get a little bit in the southeast, a little bit over in eastern Oklahoma, but we need it in those other parts of the state as well. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.